So I bought this Ulanzi A100 wireless mic set. It is a complete package with two adapters for phone and camera. No additional wires, it's plug and play. I paid for it like 27 euros with shipping, and if it sounds any decent, I will be amazed. Okay, so it seems I am connected. Yeah, it should be working. It's quite close to my mug. I'm not interested in noise cancellation. I really would like to see how the full or natural sound is like. Very windy, quite cold, but sunny. The connection was as easy as it gets. Just plug and play, two lights turn green and you're good to go. With the phone, that is.